I just received the Amazon delivery. These days, they often pack multiple items in one box. And yep, that's what happened here too. But we are focusing on this toolkit today. Now, let's open up the toolkit itself. The moment you open it, you are greeted with a user manual. Really helpful. It's got clear pictures and explains exactly how to use each tool in the kit. Super beginner friendly. Let's go through the contents one by one. So this one is watch band holder. It helps your watch steady while you work. Spring bar tool with a scale line. Great for removing or adjusting spring bar precisely. Leather strap punch tool and a pin pusher with better grip. Better for more delicate adjustments for leather strap. Metal link remover tool. This one's adjustable and lets you change out the pushing pin based on your watch style. Dual head hammer, one side metal and other side plastic so that you can work without scratching. 7 spare needles for the link remover. So 10 spring bar, 10 cotton remover, a good number of extras in case you lose any. Pretty complete set, right? And now let's see it in action. We used it on one of our watches to remove a link and resize it. Super smooth process. The link remover made it really easy. A few taps with the hammer and done.
See, snuggled and fit.
Honestly, for the price, this kit offers a ton of value, especially if you like adjusting or repairing watch at home. Whether you are resizing metal strap or working with the spring bars, this toolkit has everything you need.